Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to show you guys how to make something fun with Botanical Eco prints from a paper towel. So these are all prints I got on a paper towel, and I said in my last video when I was eco printing with you guys on watercolor paper, I used these in that process, and I didn't want to throw them out because I think they're really cool. Just got some fun prints on it. And I asked you guys if you wanted to see a project of me using the paper towels, and we can see what we can do with them. And you guys responded, and I really appreciate it, and thank you for your comments. And let's see what we can do. Let's play around here. So what we got is Elmer's glue. It's just a white PVA glue that I use. And I'll show you guys. I just usually guesstimate how much I need for doing decoupage and stuff. But I have some in here, but I'm going to need more. So I usually do like 50-50. Like 50 glue. So I mean, there's no exact science to it. You just make it as runny as you want. And then I got some water here. So I just mix that together. And I take my little chopstick here. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out all your glues and your eco prints and seeing what we can do, or just any kind of papers to decoupage with. Sewing pattern papers are great. Tea bags are perfect. You could take and like stamp on some tea bags and then decoupage those down, and or you know, there's all kinds of stuff. You got your napkins and your paper towels and just the pretty papers like that. Tissue paper is a good one. So after I get it just kind of mixed, I just sit here and kind of whip it up. And then you just see the consistency that you want. And that's about right. So it's as easy as that. You just do water and glue. Just some white glue. I got a big old thing of it here. Okay. Let me close my water so I don't spill it all over the place. I have to use the napkins to, or the paper towels to absorb it. Okay. So let's get this somewhere else. Let's put it there. All right, so now we got our glue. Just a paintbrush, just any old paintbrush. And what we're gonna do is look through our prints here. Oh, and I have coffee dyed parchment paper is what I'm going to use on the background. So this will be the main background here. So it's up to you guys if you wanted to, coffee dye it or anything like that, but you could do parchment paper. Tissue paper might be a little thin to try to put it on, but maybe wax paper or something in that kind of, you know, that kind of realm, baking paper. I'm doing this today with you guys, and then I want to do another project with this. So this will be like the first little fun thing you can do. Okay, let's see. Which ones do I want? So what I'm going to do is just kind of, I'm just going to rip them out. And you could do where you take a wet paintbrush, dip it in water, and you could go around where you want to tear. But I just don't have patience, so I just rip it. And I get what I get. Okay, so I'm just going with the pattern that we got here. Okay. And then make sure you get your 1 ply. Your 1 ply here. Okay, so let's just do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just go through the napkins that I want, and I'm going to rip them out and just get them ready, and I'll do that in a time lapse. You guys are in frame here. I got my whole pile going. And let's see what we can do. Okay. So we'll put this to the side. And I'm just gonna start gluing some stuff down here. So you just take your paintbrush, dip it in, get a layer down, and then there you go. And you just start playing. It's easy as that. Okay, so you do a layer on top, and I'm just gonna keep going. Don't forget, put it underneath too. And the wrinkles on it, I don't mind them. I think they look great. It gives it a little more character, a little more interest. So I'm just gonna keep going, and it's as easy as that. You just put down your glue, pop down your napkin or paper towel, whatever you got. And you just keep going. There's no rhyme or reason. There's no thinking. Don't think. Thinking will slow you down. Even if you overlap, like if I wanted to overlap a little right here, do it. Just whatever. This is just free and fast and no thinking. And just take it and pop them down. And you got your little botanicals on your parchment. So I'm going to do this in time lapse and keep going and just get it all glued down. Okay, so I got most of it. I just have this one little napkin left. And it's turned out really cool. I'm really liking the look of it. Also, if you guys are liking this video, please hit the like button. It helps me so much and to get out there more. And make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can see what I'm going to do next with this. It's going to be really cool. But yeah, I don't know if I even said that I can put the botanical playlist up in the right-hand corner up here. And I could put the botanical playlist on me doing all my different botanical excursions that I've been doing. And I'll make sure to post that in the right corner for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure you guys see that. I think I forgot to say that to you. If not, then I'll do it twice. Oh, and also, this is coffee-dyed parchment paper. So whatever your surface you're doing this on, it's going to get coffee stained like that. So I'm trying to hurry, and I'm going to move it off of here, and I'm going to heat gun this and try to get it as dry as I can, because I got one more little thing I wanted to do with you guys on here. And then we'll be done with this part of it. I don't think I want to cover that. So yeah, if you guys have noticed, I just kind of been ripping the size where I want to put pieces, because there's some I don't want to cover up that are really cool. And then this didn't come out too legible, so I'm just kind of just taking the colors really and just popping them down. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this dry, and then we will continue. All right, so I got it all dry. I cleaned my desk area off here, and I was gonna do the heat gun, but it was pretty wet, so I went ahead and hung it outside on my fence. It's kind of a breezy day today, so I think that helped. And it's got a little bit of damp spots, but nothing serious. So I wanted to show you guys the last thing here, and then we can be done for the day. So what I'm gonna do is put some gloves on, because I'm gonna be using some permanent ink, and I do not like getting it on my hands, because then it's there forever, or at least all day. Okay, and then I got my scroll stamp and some permanent ink here, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun. So I'll make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. I I think I have you guys in frame here. Okay. And I'm just going to take my scroll stamp and just pop down some fun little words that will look really cool. Okay. So no, nothing in particular, just kind of popping them down. So I'm just going to go around and just put just different words all over it. And there we go. I think that turned out really cool. We got some cool Botanical Eco prints paper. That's what we pretty much made. And I have a couple ideas. I have some fun ideas I want to make with these. So please, if you could, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.